Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And yes, I still have my hand wrapped. I want to keep it wrapped for a few more weeks to make sure it heals up really, really nicely. And I'm here with as you can see, it's a card from Miss Becky Waters. And let's see here. I'm going to be making me a Christmas card book like I did one year. It says Holy Night. Ooh. Vanessa, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Look all the goodies. Got a napkin with some holly leaves. We got some snowflake stickers. And some stamps. We'll see about the stamps. I got an idea for them. But for right now, we're going to put them aside. And we got a little book page here. And on the other side it says, may the miracle of this Christmas season fill your heart with peace and happiness. Wendell, Becky, Josh, Katie, and Charlotte, and Caleb. Thank you, Miss Becky, for the beautiful card and all the little happies in it. I will add this to my friends across the miles pouch, and when I start that up, it will be good to go. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a new video, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be happy, be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.